Write a paragraph in English with a length of 1,000 words on the topic how to use products containing retinol to help skin regeneration. Retinol is a powerful ingredient that has been proven to help rejuvenate the skin by stimulating collagen production and cell turnover. However, it can also be a tricky ingredient to navigate, as it can cause irritation and sensitivity if not used correctly. In this guide, we will go through some tips and tricks for using products containing retinol to help rejuvenate your skin. Tip 1. Start slowly. When using products containing retinol, it is important to start slowly and gradually build up your tolerance. Begin by using the product once or twice a week, and then gradually increase the frequency as your skin adjusts. This will help to minimize any potential irritation or sensitivity. Tip 2. Use at night. Retinol can make your skin more sensitive to the sun, so it is best to use it at night. Apply a small amount of the product to your face and neck after cleansing and toning. Be sure to avoid the eye area and any areas of the skin that are already irritated or sensitive. Tip 3. Pair with a moisturizer. Retinol can be drying to the skin, so it is important to pair it with a moisturizer to keep your skin hydrated. Look for a lightweight, non-comedogenic moisturizer that won't clog your pores. Tip 4. Protect your skin from the sun. Retinol can make your skin more sensitive to the sun, so it is important to protect your skin by wearing a broad-spectrum sunscreen with an SPF of at least 30. Apply it generously to all exposed areas of your skin, and reapply every 2 hours if you are outside for an extended period. Tip 5. Be patient. Results from using retinol can take time, so it is important to be patient and consistent with your use. It may take several weeks or even months to see significant improvements in your skin's texture, tone, and overall appearance. Tip 6. Don't overdo it. While retinol can be a powerful ingredient, it is important not to overdo it. Using too much or using it too frequently can cause irritation, sensitivity, and even damage to your skin. Follow the instructions on the product label and consult with a dermatologist if you have any concerns. In conclusion, using products containing retinol can be an effective way to rejuvenate your skin and improve its overall appearance. By starting slowly, using it at night, pairing it with a moisturizer, protecting your skin from the sun, being patient, and not overdoing it, you can achieve a more youthful and radiant complexion. Remember, retinol is a powerful ingredient, so use it with care and always listen to your skin's reactions. Retinol is a form of vitamin A that helps boost collagen production, increase cell turnover, and unclog pores. Using retinol products is one of the most effective ways to fight signs of aging, fade age spots, unclog pores, reduce wrinkles, fade scars, and improve skin tone and texture. Start slowly